Today I'm going to tell you the story about a wise crow. They generally say as wise as an owl. But I'm going to tell you about the crow. Have you heard this story about the crow being very wise? The crow is a very, very intelligent bird. And it is also a very, very, very wise bird. So one day there was an old lady who had a shop. And what would she sell in her shop? She would eat all the eatables. But most important, when it was about 3 o'clock in the evening, she would make masal vada. Masal vada is a yummy, 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 yummy snack. So she would make masal vada, keep it on the counter, and many people and children would love the masal vada. There was a crow on top of the tree near this shop, which was thinking, wow, how nice if I can steal one masal vada and eat. And it sat on the tree and said, ka, 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 ka. The old lady said, hey, if I give you, you will bring all your full family to eat. I'm not going to give you any masal vada. But what this crow did, it was waiting for a chance. This old lady turned her face like that to give some vada to one customer. The crow quickly came flying. It grabbed one masal vada in its beak and it went flying to the top of the tree. The old lady was very angry. She said, come down next time, I'll beat you with a stick. This crow took the masal vada in its mouth, and nearby there was a forest. It went into the forest flying because it wanted to give the masal vada to its babies too. So it went in and sat on top of the tree where it had the babies. Then as it was about to go and give it to its babies, a sly little fox came that side and he whiffed. Oh, I'm getting some yummy food smell. And he looked up. And what did he see there? He saw the crow with the masal vada in its mouth. He thought, wow, I have to get this masal vada somehow or the other. Then it sat under the tree and said, hey crow, you handsome crow, look down on me. So the crow looked down. Then it said, you know something, crow? Everybody in the forest are saying you have got a wonderful and a very sweet voice. But I have never heard you sing, crow. Why don't you sing a song for me? The crow thought for a little while. The fox said, come on, crow, you're such a sweet person. I know you for so many years, but I've never heard you singing. And everybody are saying your voice is so sweet. Please sing a song for me. So the crow got very flattered and it got carried away by this fox's voice. What the fox was saying. So what did the crow do? It opened its beak. Ka, 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 ka. And what happened to the vada? It fell from the crow's mouth to the fox. The fox picked up the vada and ate it. Yummy, yummy, yum. And ran away. So the crow thought, my God, how the fox has fooled me. I must never fall for this trick. So next day, again the crow went and waited near the old lady's shop. But this time old lady was a little careful. She had kept a stick near her. And every time the crow tried to steal, she did this. So the crow couldn't come near. But after a very patient and long wait, the crow was able to get one masal vada. It took the masal vada in its mouth and flew happily inside the forest. And whom did the crow see again? The crow saw the fox. The fox thought, wow, I've got a lovely snack today. Yesterday also I got a snack. Today also I'm going to get my evening snack. And it sat under the tree and said, "Crow, crow, crow, do you know something? Just now in the forest, everybody are saying they heard you sing yesterday. And they said you got such a lovely voice. Why don't you sing for me, crow?" The crow just looked at the fox like that. Said, hmm. So the fox said, "What are you thinking about, crow? You got such a lovely voice. Come on, sing for me." So the crow, what did the crow do now? It thought for a little while. The fox said, "Come on, crow, you're such a sweetheart. Why don't you sing for me?" So the crow, what did the crow do? It took the masal vada from its beak, put it on the branch of the tree, held it with its leg, and then sang, "Caw, caw, 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 caw." The fox was very disappointed. He looked at the crow and said, "Oh my, the crow has become brilliant today." And the fox silently went away because he knew he could not fool the crow. And the crow thought, every time I must be wise like this. So wasn't the crow a wise crow? So every time suppose we make a mistake, we should never repeat it. We should stop once and think before we do another mistake. Don't do the same mistake again and again.